here at Kingmaker Cabo. Hey, we're fishing over here on the Rio Beach. This is a Sea of Cortez. We ended up hooking up with small jackfish. We need you guys to come down and start booking a trip. It's getting really hot out here for shore fishing. Really hot.
We saw a big boil of jacks out here. Sure enough, Tracy was lucky enough to pound a big one. It was a nice size.
It's a team effort.
Yeah, he swallowed the hook, and we were able to get it out and let him go, and he survived. Got hit on a couple mackerels this evening, and yeah, man, great time. Anytime, man, you can come out here and fish in Cabo San Lucas, out here by the arches. I mean, it's paradise. Hit us up, man. You want to go fishing, surf fishing? If you need a boat, hit us up. We can put you on the right boat. My partner and I are here to help anybody that wants to come out and fish, man. What's up, everybody? Kingmaker Cabo here. Got our first fish on line right now. I think it's a jack. But he was ripping line. Yeah. Nice fight here. He's ripping line, baby. There he is. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's coming home to dinner. Oh yeah. Well, first fish of the morning then, huh, Tracy?
First fish in the morning, man. A little puffer fish. Just be careful with the puffers. Let's get the hook out and get back in the water.
Nice little puffer fish, buddy.
Nice little puffer fish.
Good job, man. Let that go. Let that guy go. Putting in work.
That's what team's all about. We caught him on the shrimp rig.
Job. Needle fish.
Small needle fish.
Very nice.
Pictures. Got him on the Cabo killer.
Cabo killer.
Nice needle. See if we get some teeth. Some teeth.
Buddy.
Brother, nice fish.
Absolutely.
Early morning fish for the morning.
Yeah, buddy. He's close, buddy. Nice jack. Got the water.
Nice
Look at this.
fish. Okay.
All right, good job, Wyatt.
Good job, Wyatt. We're gonna release him now, buddy.
We're gonna release the jack into the water. water.
Woo! Big wave coming.
Big wave coming. There you go.
Oh, shit, you went the wrong way.
Holy cow. Man. High five, bro. Good job, man. How's it feel to catch your first fish?
That was so good. That was amazing.
Awesome. Texas boy. Love it.
Takes a little bit of drag. We're bringing them back now. There he goes. All right, next wave. Here we go. Nice little drag. Got him on the ice cream, guys.
Let's walk around this way.
Yeah. Nice job.
Beautiful. Great job, Tracy.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, my brother.
Kingmaker Cabo Sport Fishing Services.
Well,
Go catch the fish. All right, guys. Got a jackal ball here. Gonna go ahead and release him. And off he goes. Look, guys. Go to Kingmaker Cabo. Come out and go fishing with us. Get yourself the info at kingmakercabo.com. That'll take you out fishing. Beautiful little rooster. First one of the morning.
All right, my wife's hooked up to a nice fish. It's a rooster. Hold tension up. All right, my baby got her first rooster. Look at that. Oh yeah, now let's get some pictures. All right, babe.
On fire today. This is number 3, baby.
Keep it a team. Wash it off.
Next combo, buddy. Where's the fish?
What's it feel like, Jack? Send this to Captain, he'll be very impressed.
He's like, wait, you got slime on me.
All right, everybody, this is Cody with Kingmaker Cabo, and Tracy has been my doctor and my partner here.
Gonna hurt a little bit, guys.
We got a hook in the hand today, saving the bird from a hookup. Went down and ate the bait, and got hooked up on the lure. We pulled the bird in on shore,
These are the tools we're gonna use.
and he
Let me
flapped
show you
around.
how it's done.
And he flapped around and hooked me. So now we gotta pull the hook out of my hand. Voila!
There it is.
Just like that, guys.
Let's get some more hydro on there.
Throw some more hydroperoxide on here. We saved a bird's life. Tracy saved Cody's life. Hey, if
All right.
you're not a real fisherman, if you don't get a hook in your hand at least once.
I agree. You ain't a fisherman till you get a hook in your finger. I got one of mine the other day. Here's the left of the scars. Much better. Much better.
Morning, everybody. Cody with Kingmaker Cabo. Caught a little jack this morning. Not very big. Wash him off. Take a couple pictures.
Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Tracy, my partner Cody with Kingmaker Cabo Sport Fishing Services. Today is Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Kind of a slow day, but shoot, my buddy was still able to hook up with a nice sized jack. Check out the pictures we'll be posting on YouTube.
Yeah, today was pretty slow. It said it was going to be slow on the apps, and the wave's pretty big for today. So I was surprised that I caught a jack today. It was nice. Better heck catching fish than no fish. If you'd like to book a charter with us, hit us up at info@kingmakercabo.com, or you can DM us on social media. We'd be happy to take you out. Exclusive, full service. Have the time of your life, video and take pictures, and keep you guys happy and put you on some fish.
Put you on some fish, baby. All about fishing out here.
Kingmaker Cabo.